got two? What? You had it. What, Daniel? The jellyfish happens. Go to the very front. Go to the very front. Let out a little bit of line first, okay? You got one, Mel?
Congratulations.
Mel, you got two? What? I've never caught two fish in one cast.
What the heck? I cannot believe what I'm seeing.
Here, hold that up.
I cannot believe what I'm seeing right now.
And my
I know.
my pole's like not working that well either.
I
This is
cannot
good.
believe what I'm seeing.
That's hilarious.
I do not believe what I'm seeing.
Give me the ruler.
No! The fish is on the ground. Get it off, and get the thing going. But I never seen that in my
I
life.
think they're both too small, right?
Yeah, that's the thing is like, schools like this, they're too small to keep.
So can I just throw it back?
Yeah.
Throw it back with your hand.
Daniel, get casting. The fish are biting right now. I've never...
I know. Same.
I never seen anybody do that.
That's awesome. We can stop now and I'll be happy to help with my pole starting to work better.
I got one.
Better be big.
My goal is to catch a bird.
Yeah.
It's not a keeper, I can tell. Yeah, it's not a keeper.
Yeah, that really did.
Daniel, my lure.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's the bread and butter action of a lure out here. All right.
Oh, this is tangled out.
What's this lure called?
That's
Barbecue.
broken back.
Maybe it's
DG
because
Special and BB. Or
No, there's a guy, I don't know his name for real, I forget, but there's a, basically this pattern lure and a Cordell redfin, but I can't find the redfin, that lure, but this is a Rapella lure. I just got a hit. Daniel, let it out a little slack on your line and then cast. Got him. Reel, Daniel. Huh?
oh, dear.
Come on, monkey. Get your belt. Coming now, too. What? I don't know. He doesn't need it.